performance which had a title Sports for Health. It was conducted by our organization Maitri, a beautiful land of Vaikam. First of all, let me invite all the dignitaries to the dais, please. Let us all start the event by a prayer song. I welcome Ms. Swapna for the prayer song, please. Thank you, Ms. Swapna. Let me next invite Mr. Shashi Nayak, the founding secretary of Maitri, to officially welcome everyone. So,
distinguished guests, parents, teachers, students, and my dear Maitri members, good evening to you all. Today is the culmination of the Sports for Health painting competition conducted by Maitri. I know that all of you are, some of the students and especially the winners are very eager to bag the prizes and collect and leave the area as early as possible because of other engagements. But before that, let me say a few words about Maitri Vaikam. Maitri Vaikam is a socio-cultural organization of the natives of Vaikam, Kottayam district of Kerala. We have been in the forefront of various activities in Qatar as well as in our native place. We have been conducting various competitions over the last few years since the inspection of Maitri in the year 2006. Apart from celebrating various festivals, we have been regularly conducting competitions for school children. Because one of the main objectives of Maitri is not only to conduct the festivals, but to nurture the talents of young children. Especially, we have been very particular about conducting competitions for school children of various schools in Qatar. For example, in the year 2010, we have conducted an essay writing competition at MES school, which was a huge success. Similarly, this year, with the help of all of you, the parents, teachers, schools, and the active participation of all the students, we were able to conduct this Sports for Health pencil coloring competition. Needless to say, the response was very huge and it was beyond our expectation. We expect similar response in our future activities also from all of you. Judging by the overwhelming enthusiasm of parents, teachers, and active participation of students, we feel that we will be conducting such competitions in future also. Moreover, the theme, Sports for Health, is very apt in the sense that it is in line with the national mission of Qatar 2030. I don't want to prolong because the winners are very eager to collect the prizes. So I will just get into my task of welcoming the distinguished guests and the gathering. Today's chief guest, in fact, does not require any introduction. He is none other than Mr. Shashi Kumar, First Secretary, Embassy of India to Qatar, who has agreed to be present here in spite of his busy schedule. On behalf of Maitri family, I welcome him to this gathering. We have here with us Mr. Girish, the acting president of Indian Cultural Center, who is also a well-wisher of Maitri, who has accepted our invitation and agreed to grace this occasion. He has also got a very tight schedule but he was very kind enough to attend this gathering. I welcome him on behalf of me. Mr. Abu Bakr, the head of consular section, head of affiliations and consular section, is also present here. On behalf of Maitri Vaikam, I welcome Mr. Abu Bakr. Let me also welcome Mr. Rajesh, the president of Maitri Vaikam, who has been instrumental in organizing all these events, under whose leadership we are marching forward. I welcome Mr. Rajesh, the president of Maitri Vaikam. I also welcome Mr. Shaju, who has just left the dais. He is the secretary of Maitri Vaikam, who was giving active support to Mr. Rajesh. I welcome Mr. Shaju. I also welcome Mr. Joseph. Affectionately we call Joseph sir. He has been coordinating all these events and he has been instrumental for making this a grand success. Welcome, Mr. I also welcome our patron, Mr. Venugopal Pillai, and former president and former secretary, Mr. Sri Kumar, who is also on the dais. There are few more guests who has accepted our invitation but are unable to present here due to some other engagements. I also welcome them in advance in their absence. Personally, and on behalf of Maitri Vaikam, I welcome the parents, school coordinators, teachers, students, children, and media personnel, and all my Maitri friends to this gathering. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Shashi Nayak. Now let me welcome Mr. Rajesh Nayak, President of Maitri, for the presidential address. Sir, please.
Honorable Deputy Chief of Mission, Embassy of India, Sri Shashi Kumar, President of ICC, Mr. Girish Kumar, Head of Consular Services, Mr. Abu Bakr, Patron of Maitri, Mr. Venugopal Pillai, prominent journalist and former President of Maitri, Sri Joseph Varghese, Founder Secretary of Maitri, Sri Shashi Nayak, former Secretary Sri Kumar, and present Secretary Shaju, distinguished guests, parents, teachers, my friends at Maitri, and the winners of Sports for Health painting competition, my dear children. As a humble member of Maitri, I am honored to address you today, especially because the response to our competition was really tremendous. And what I see here is the cream of cream of the artists of student artists of Qatar. I can tell you with confidence, even though we have handpicked only 10 to 12 students from each category, looking at the students who attended the competition, I can guarantee that these students, even if the whole of Qatari students have participated, these students will definitely appear among top 20 or even top 50. So, well done and congratulations. I'm not an artist to paint poems out of colors. poet to create imageries out of words. But today when I stand here, even though the sun is set, I can see an array of colors all over the place. I can see Vincent van Gogh's sunflowers everywhere I look. What I mean to say is, I'm thrilled and excited, and I'm pretty sure my members at Maitri as well are thrilled and excited to receive you all. We once again thank you for your participation in the competition, and to the larger students who participated at this juncture, even though they are not present, I would use this opportunity to thank them. And once again, we welcome you to the prize distribution ceremony. When I thank the students, there is an important section I miss out. First of all, we conducted the competition within the premises of Bhavan's Public School. Bhavan's principal, Sri Balasubramaniam, has a busy schedule. He has agreed to attend the function, but he will be attending shortly. Let me express our sincere thanks for the cooperation extended to us to allow us to conduct the competition at Bhavan School premises. I am also thankful to Sri Girish, ICC President, for all the support extended to us during this year to make Maitri research and ready. Thank you, sir, once again for all your help. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, there is a section which I have missed out. I congratulated the students. I was thankful to all the organizers, everyone. When I think of the parents, these students are here only because of the commitment and support extended to them by the parents. I quickly remember an incident that happened on the competition day. The competition started around 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and we were all chit-chatting. The time was around 9:45. We were all the volunteers were chit-chatting how to hand over the kids to the parents, and the competition is over. Suddenly, I saw a parent rushing towards us. There was a girl also with him, maybe an 8 or 9-year-old girl. So he came rushing, and he had a hall ticket in his hand. So he came to us and said, "Sorry sir, we are too late. Please accommodate my girl. She wants to contest in the competition. She forgot about the competition, and only today morning, just a while ago, half an hour before only, she was able to show me the hall ticket." We were really confused because the competition was about to be over, so what should we do? And this person started requesting and requesting, and at some point, we saw that his North African face started turning red. So we said, yes, we will admit the kid, but she has to finish when all other kids finish. He agreed, and we all forgot about the chapter. And we all said, okay, habitual latecomers, what to do with this kind of people, even though we are also, many of us are also habitual latecomers. After a couple of days, I saw this person in a totally different color. His picture was in a totally different color, because I thought if I was in his position, if my daughter tells me that I have to go to this competition and it's only half an hour left, I won't be able to, I will not take her to the competition, that's for sure. Children, my dear children, you are all successful today. You are all winners of the competition. That's only because your parents are as committed to you as this parent. So, I would like to congratulate all the parents of the students who are winners over here. Well done, good job, and keep the job continuing. I will cut short my speech. As Mr. Shashi Nair, our founder secretary, was mentioning, just a couple of words about our organization. Ours is a very small organization. There are very big organizations over here affiliated to ICC, and we were really doubtful whether we will be able to conduct this program successfully. There is only one principle. The word Maitri means friendship, it means fraternity, it means unity. And that's the only reason, despite short number of volunteers, we were able to conduct this program without any hits or any untoward incidents. And why? Why is that happening? Let me remind you the famous Vaikam Satyagraha. 1924-25, Mahatma Gandhi came to our town, Vaikam. This was almost 90 years back. And the first time in the history of mankind, he tested and proved that Satyagraha can achieve its result. And that happened in our soil, Vaikam. So no wonder why we are this much united and why we strive for hard work and achieve results. I just want to mention, because my speech won't be complete if I don't mention about Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. Bashir he is a famous writer from our place, and Vaikam Muhammad Bashir once mentioned, in one of his books he mentioned, 1 plus 1, we all thought it's 2. But he said, 1 plus 1 is a big one. And what I am referring to is the same message. It's all about unity. So if you are united, whether it's an association, whether it's a family or anything, we can achieve the result. Let me conclude the speech as Mr. Shashi Nair was mentioning. This is the first of its kind, the Sports for Health painting competition. And we believe that this message blends together with the visions of Qatari leaders. And going forward, next year as well, we'll be conducting this competition in a big way, not just of this magnitude, in a bigger magnitude. And we look forward to help from all of you, all the cultural coordinators, all the principals, ICC, from Indian Embassy, from everyone. And we look forward to your support once again. And thank you for listening to me once again. Congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Rajesh. It's my proud privilege and honor to next invite our chief guest, Mr. Shashi Kumar, First Secretary of Indian Embassy, to say a few words, please.
Good evening. President of Maitri Vaikam, Mr. Rajesh Nair. President and former office bearers of Maitri, sitting on the dais and in the audience. President of ICC, Mr. Girish Kumar. Mr. Abogekar, other distinguished guests on the dais, my friend Mr. Joseph Varghese, my 3 family members, students, parents and their guardians. I thank Maitri Vaikam for inviting me to this evening's function. Of course, this is the first time I am attending a function of Maitri. This event has shown that it is not the size that matters. It is how you plan your events and execute them. Naturally, for an inter-school competition like this, the efforts that had gone into organizing this event would have been massive. And I congratulate Maitri Vaikam for organizing this successful event and conducting this program today to distribute the prizes to the winners. This is a time of the small organizations. In fact, I have had occasions during the last couple of weeks to attend to programs conducted by several small organizations who have gone beyond their call, beyond their capacity to conduct functions, organize events and bring together their members as well as the Indian community at large. Naturally, this is how we should exhibit our strength, our capability and our capacity to execute things. Maitri is a socio-cultural organization. The former secretary has given an outline of their activities, but I understand from their members that it has been undertaking activities which are much beyond the call of a socio-cultural organization by extending humanitarian assistance to people back in India. It is a wonderful, wonderful thing, and naturally it is extremely great to know that even when you are away from home, you don't forget those people who are in need, who are not as fortunate as you are, and your willingness to help them naturally shows the human quality in you. This evening, of course, I have another function to leave for, and I don't want to prolong my speech here. I want to congratulate the students, whether they are winners or participants, because in my opinion, it is not the winners who matter. It cannot be winners. So basically, my congratulations to all the participations, especially to the winners of this evening. And with these words, I just want to thank Maitri Vaikam once again for inviting me to this evening function. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shashikumar. First of all, I owe an apology to Mr. Shashikumar because I happened to say his designation wrong. He is the Deputy Chief of Mission Indian Embassy. Now I welcome Mr. Girish Kumar, President of ICC, to deliver a felicitation speech, please.
Thank you. Very good evening. Honorable Deputy Chief of Mission, Mr. P.S. Shashikumar, Embassy of India. The President of Maitri Vaikam, Mr. Rajesh, and General Secretary Mr. Shaju, their Executive Committee members, Sri Joseph, Sri Shashinaya, other distinguished guests on the dais, parents, children, friends from the media. Have a pleasant good evening. It's a really great honor. The Maitri had extended invitation for their first reinstatement of what's called, it's a blossom. The association is blossoming like after 3 years of gap. So Indian Cultural Center is really appreciate the efforts of Maitri, who has organized such a competition for the benefit of our community. Although association, the strength is, it's not an important factor. What association is contributing for the benefit of our community, that's the most significant factor. As our Deputy Chief of Mission indicated, it's a quite valued and recognized by the community, the contribution and efforts put by our individual associations. Similarly, Maitri had a gap, almost 3 years they were silent due to various reasons. So, I recall how the re-affiliation comes into force today because few members who took keen initiative with ICC for reinstating the affiliations, because nowadays it's quite difficult to get affiliation. There are a number of other reasons for that. It is not ICC problem, it is not embassy problem. So it is very difficult to get it disconnected from our cultural platform, but very difficult to reinstate in these coming days. And I really truly appreciate reinstating the association with the proclaimed objective of supporting ICC's cultural values, socio-cultural values, educational values, sports, various. When we are getting affiliation from any one association, that is added strength to the Indian Cultural Center. It's like how when in a family we adding a member into our house, that becomes more strength. So Maitri has clearly shown, set by an example, that unity. So Mr. Rajesh already explained few examples, which is Maitri, it stands for ties, relation, unity, all this kind of. So I would like to congratulate the entire fraternity of Maitri Vaikam for initiating such special events for the benefit of our children. While congratulating all the winners, I would like to congratulate the other entire participants. There is no winning competition. This is not a winning competition. Of course, it is promoting our values and our commitments towards the society. So that means opportunity created for everyone to participate. It is not the place, or it is not the platform for we are diagnosing the fault or who is winner, who is loser. No, we are all living in this place. That is, this is a way to promote our cultural objectives and our children's developments. So once again, I would like to especially thank all the organizers of this event for making this grand success. Also, in this occasion, I would like to indicate Indian Cultural Center also conducting an event. It is for the benefit of our children. This is June 6th. We are conducting a free seminar session for our children. This is an Indian Cultural Center in full cooperation with the support of Indian-based skilled educationalist institutions from Chennai. We had conducted in last 2 years, but in 2013, due to some other reasons, we were not able to continue. But this year we have again renewed that relationship, and they will be conducting this seminar, free seminar. During the seminar, they will be demonstrating the children, those who are having a different type of abilities, different type of skills, how to improve their skills, memories, all this kind of, it's a personality development for children. So the more details will be explained during the session, which will be on June 6th and 7th, 2 days it is conducting in ICC. I think most of the ICC members or the affiliate organization must have acknowledged this email notification from ICC. Please do extend the participation, identify whether it is useful. If it is useful, please support ICC's efforts, and which is absolutely it's a beneficial for our children. And parents must be accompanied with children while attending this seminar. Anyway, once again thanking Maitri Vaikam for all your arrangements, and this event is become a very big success. Now there is a time for other activities to start. Once again, thanking one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Mr. Joseph Vargas, former President Maitri, for a few felicitation words.
Good evening, everyone. Deputy Chief of the Mission,
Indian mission in Qatar, Mr. Shashi Kumar, a great human being, Acting ICC President Mr. Girish Kumar, office bearers of Maitri Vaikam, your parents, children, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all of you once again. What I have heard so far is, it is small, and I believe that small is beautiful. Small makes things work better, coordinate. Every big journey starts with a small step. So therefore, I don't think that small has anything adverse impact on that. And beside that, when I come to Maitri Vaikam, we have been in the forefront of many activities for some time, and of course, as Mr. Girish said, for the last few years we had some hiccups here and there and couldn't make our journey in a vibrant way as we had expected. But of course, we have started again, and this will continue. And I assure you that we will be in the forefront of many of the social and cultural activities for the Indian community, for the community, the whole community here in Qatar. And that is what Maitri Vaikam is promising to look forward to with great ambition. And my job is to greet the winners of the evening today. I believe that when you took the step to join the competition, we are all winners. Because it is an initiative in one person that makes a person succeed in his life. So you took the decision to join the competition that prompted you to take part in the competition actively, because there were many who had registered but didn't turn up. And of course, out of those who had turned up, those who had appeared for the competition, we have shortlisted, say, around 30 winners today. Congratulations to all the winners. You are the buds, you are the blooms, you are the blossoms of tomorrow. And you have shown to the world that you can do it. It is in the self-belief that I can do it that makes a person start his life or her life in a better way. So, you had the dreams to make your ideas bigger. And it is important that you nurture the dream. So I would rather say the dreams you dare to dream will come true. Let me once again say, the dream you dare to dream will come true. And those dreams for many of you have come true today. And of course for others will come true tomorrow. And when it comes to the dreams, I would also like to say, never ever kill your dreams, but execute them. In one sense, both have the same meaning, but when you look at the differences of the meaning, they are all different. Never kill your dreams, but execute your dreams, and then you will see that your aim, your goals, make them happen. And of course, coming back to great Robert Frost, the poet, who had said, the two roads, the traveled one and the untraveled one. And the one who took the untraveled road, the road less traveled, he was the winner. So always think differently, think positively, and make the difference in your world. So take the less traveled route and make sure that your actions, your decisions benefit the world. Your actions and your thoughts will one day make sure that the posterity, the future generation will have a lot of things to learn from each one of you. Primarily as a teacher and as a journalist today, I have learned one thing in my life: sincerity, commitment to your life. And that is what proves your life a successful one. So let's all work for a better, bigger and brighter tomorrow. All the best to everyone. Thank you very much.
Now let's get into action. Let's start the prize distribution ceremony. I request Mr. Shashi Kumar, Mr. Girish Kumar, Mr. Venu, patron of Maitri, Mr. Vijay Subramani, Mr. Jayashankar, and the judging committee members to be there on the stage for the prize distribution. Junior category, the third place participant gets a certificate, a trophy, and a gift voucher worth Qatari 200. Kirti Chowdhury from DPS. Is Kirti present? Since most of the schools are having the youth festival competition, many of the students have not been able to make it today. For those who are not able to come for the prize distribution today, the trophies will be given to their respective schools. The second prize winner, Mr. Sarang Santosh, has not been present today. First prize goes to Tisha Jain from BPS. She receives a trophy, a certificate, and a voucher of Qatari 500. She is on vacation. Now we'll go to the senior category. The third place goes to Parthiv Das of Shanti Niketan. Second place goes to Bhumika of BPS. And the winner, first place, goes to Divyashri Ramesh of DMIS School. She would receive a trophy, a certificate, and a gift voucher of worth Qatari 500. Now we'll start off with the consolation prizes. Junior category, Sanjay from MES Indian School. Let's have a round of applause, please. Next is Siddhi Prasad from DPS. Next we have Minha Siddiq from BPS. Next we have Rahul Anto from BPS. Next we have Neem A. Nawaz from BPS. Next we have Vishwajit from DPS. Next we have Nidhi from DPS. Nidhi, please. Next we have Samriddhi from BPS. Next, Riza Suhail from BPS. Next, Shahad Ashraf from Ideal Indian School. The last participant in the junior category, we have Harikriti Murali from MES Indian School. Next, we'll go on to the senior category consolation prizes. First, we have Aisha Manahan from MES Indian School. Nandini Rajagopalan from MES. Is Nandini present? We have Kshitij Parashar from DMIS. Kshitij. Next we have Jobin Biju from BPS. Next we have Sahal Rahman from MES Indian School. Next we have Rishikesh Rajiv Kumar from Birla Public School. Next we have Faiha Ismail from Shanti Niketan School. Next we have Miss Nihala PS from MES Indian School. Next we have Miss Amina Mansoor from MES Indian School. Next we have Miss Sandra Ramachandran from BPS. She is not present. Next we have Janani Krishnakumar from BPS. The last participant in the senior category for the consolation prize is Miss Mariam from MES Indian School. I congratulate all the participants. Next, we would like to felicitate the judges, Mr. Naufal Kapar. Next, Mr. Srijit CK. And we have Mr. T.A. Prahaladan. Mr. T.A. Prahaladan. We would like to give trophies to the schools who have the highest number of points, the most number of participants, and the host. So the highest number of points gets the Rich Code Award, and that is Birla Public School. be better. All the winners of Birla Public School. Mr. Srijan, could you please come on to the dais? Next we have the trophy for the highest participation. The more the merrier award goes to Ideal Indian School. We have only one student for now. Next is the trophy for the perfect host, and the perfect host award goes to the Bhavan School. All students from the Bhavan School, please come on to the dais and receive the trophy. Students from Bhavan School, please. I hereby congratulate all students. Now I would like to invite Mr. Shaju for the vote of thanks, please.
Good evening, everyone. Deputy Chief and the First Secretary at the Indian Embassy, Mr. Sashima sir. President of ICC, Mr. Girish Kumar, and ICC Council Worker, President of Maitri, Mr. Rajesh, Corporate President, Mr. Joseph Varghese, Corporate Secretary, Mr. Shashi Nair, ladies and gentlemen. It is the immense pride and pride that I stand before you of Maitri is instrumental in the nurturing the talent of upcoming generations. On this occasion, on behalf of Maitri, I experience a sincere gratitude to Mr. Sashima for accepting our invitation and attending the great distribution ceremony restricted the HCC schedule. Thank you, sir. We are also thankful to Mr. Girish Kumar, ICC for providing help and support and for accepting our invitation to deliver the keynote address. Let me also use this opportunity to thank all the school, principal, culture coordinator, teachers, and parents, as well as the students who participated in the large number and made the competition a big success. We look forward to your cooperation in the future. Once again, thanks to all. Thank you.
പൊഴിമഴയിലൂലഞ്ഞാലിക്കുരുവി ഇളം കാറ്റിലാടി വരുന്നീ കൂട്ടുകൂടിക്കിണുങ്ങി മിഴിപ്പീലി മെല്ലെ കഴുകി മനസ്സിൽ നിറയും മൂലഞ്ഞാലിക്കുരുവി ഇളം കാറ്റിലാടി വരൂ നീ
കൂട്ടുകൂടി കിണുങ്ങി മിഴിപ്പീലി മെല്ലെ തഴുകി നറുചിരി 4 മണി പൂവ് പോൽ വിരിഞ്ഞുവോ
ചെറുമഷി കണ്ടു നീട്ടി വന്നെടുത്തു നിന്നുവോ
മണിമധുരം നുണയും